Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you guys saw in the thumbnail, we're starting on a new project today, and it is 2019 Chevy Silverado 1 ton, which means 3500 diesel. Here it is, another cap swap project. You see, it's a lot of damage on it, but hey, there's not enough space right here around these bushes. Let me start it, pull it out off of here, and we'll go over what's going on and how bad is damage. Ooh. Honestly, I don't know what happened to this truck, but all I know is there's some pieces from the tree. So I'm pretty sure the tree landed on it from here there. And also, while looking over this truck, the bed is not damaged. So that means they had the utility box and they pulled it off and they put the original bed back. I also noticed, see, they cut this mount off. The rest of the mounts intact except this one over here, because I'm pretty sure when the tree landed they could not get the utility box off. That's why they cut that over there. The sliding window is gone. The good thing is middle part is still good. That's really hard to find sometimes when that thing only broken. And this glass is $750, so it's pretty expensive. None of the glass survived on this truck. All glass is gone. It's a Z71. It's basically almost same truck as that I had, the GMC Sierra. Same thing. You can see how heavy the tree was, so I pushed the B pillar down, so it's even cut it or ripped it, see? So Z71 package, heated cooled seats, wireless charger, all the goodies, the pedals goes up and down, the lights, exhaust brake, and going down the hill. I mean, I got all the options. It's almost Denali. It's not Denali, but it's right before Denali. And I don't think Denali have that many options. The sunroof and for cooler seats, cooler speedometer. Other than that, it's the same truck. So yeah, I mean, over here you can see it's not bad. It's not bad at all compared to other truck that I fixed, right? So no front end damage, no frame damage. Honestly, originally I thought the GMC Sierra that I did and sold it, I was hoping for something like this, where all the body destroyed but everything else is good. Did not happen. Oh well, it was fun project. It was tough. Yeah, I'm not saying it was easy, but it was tough. This one should be a lot easier. And nothing damage in the engine bay. I mean, the hood, yeah, the grill is good. I mean, all this still good. No damage to motor or anything. Everything is good. What else we have? I mean, there's nothing. The grill I'm gonna be using. The bumper, I'm gonna be using. The headlight, I'm probably gonna find just the leans and change the leans, because I mean, the headlight is good. We'll see. Maybe not. I mean, this thing needs to be replaced, but this is like, I believe it's $50. The hood is like $600. Each fender $450. I already got the cab. I already got the doors, front doors, rear doors. I mean, I already got all the parts for this truck. So let's see what's going on this side. You can see it. So the dash is destroyed. Over here you can see dash is garbage, destroyed, but hey, it's not a problem. $400 or $450 off of dealer might cost. Door panel, garbage, which I'm gonna have to find it, because this door panel destroyed over here. Maybe I can just replace this section. I don't know, we'll see what I'm gonna do with the door panel. I don't have a door panel. I have all the door panels except the driver one. Let's see what's over here. I mean, this panel is fine. The plastic needs to be replaced. Rear seats are in good condition. There's no issues with them. I mean, how many miles does this truck have? I think it's got only 26,000 miles. So let's see, where's the key? Oh, the battery dead. I should not shut it off, but I believe it got like 20,000 miles. The headliner destroyed. Whole roof is destroyed. Wiring, I'm gonna keep all the wiring. The antenna is destroyed. Hey, I got two more antennas. That door panel is fine. Oh, the steering wheel, you can see, damaged, so I'm gonna have to replace the steering wheel, which is gonna be hard to find probably, because remember guys, I've been looking for heated steering wheel because this got the heated steering wheel. Oh, how come this Z71 doesn't have an option where you can set it up? How far from the vehicle are you? Yep, doesn't have that option. Remember guys, I've been looking for this thing with the thing in here. So yep, this doesn't have that option. Hey, it's still a nice truck. It's still a hella nice truck. I mean, the bed is in good condition. Only a sad part over here, and I believe because of this I'm gonna be painting whole freaking thing. I'm not looking forward. I might just gonna touch it up. We'll see. I don't know. It's a 2019, and this truck guys is gonna be for sale. So if you're looking for a truck and you liked what I did with the first one, I'm not gonna do same exact thing to this one, but you get the idea. So the truck is gonna be fully stocked. If you're interested and you need a truck, hit me up. If you're gonna hit me up below 50 grand, don't even try it. The price for the truck, it's not lower than $50,000. So if you're not interested, hey, let somebody that interested contact me, because in the previous truck when I've been selling it, I get so many DMs. I'll give you this, I'll give you that, or I won't give you 50% of the retail. I don't care what you're willing to give for it. You have to understand there's two people on the market. One is selling, second buying. So if it's too much for you, it's not affordable for you, hey, there's the people that can afford it, right? Keep in mind, if you're interested, hit me up. We can make something work. Now I have a plan. You guys probably don't remember this, but little portion of the people that subscribe to the channel remembers my Ford F350 that chopped off the roof. Guess what? We're gonna be doing same exact thing to this one. I'm gonna disassemble, save all the plastics that I need, and the rest of them is gonna be chop chop chop, and we will have first convertible GMC 2019. There's I haven't seen any newer truck convertible, so I'm gonna do that. Then we'll probably gonna go to gas station to see people reaction and get some energy drinks and come back. Hopefully the weather gonna let me do that, because we're in the rain season. This is the opening today for me, and I decided to start working on this truck because then we will have week or two of rains. I need to do it right now. Let's get this truck, I don't know, maybe over here, maybe just over here in the middle, so I can have an easy access to it and closer to the tools. Let's get all the plastic off of it. Let's chop the freaking roof off. truck is ready to be chopped off. So you see this rubber, it's not good, garbage, so I'm not gonna be worried about it to pull it out. I pull it out from this one. Whatever is usable, I saved up. Sun visors, usable, but they're not on the way to cut this roof off, and I'll move this roof to a different place. And also I'm gonna be cutting over here like so, like that, boom boom boom. Anyway, I think it's gonna look really awesome. I really do think it's gonna look awesome. Let's grab a sawzall, battery, and let's chop off this doors first and then the roof. Guys, it's the next day here. Yesterday it's actually started raining and I couldn't continue, and another reason I could not continue is blades. They're going dull so quick. I went through 3 of them and only got caught a peeler. So I'm gonna go buy some more and let's get this roof chopped off. Back from the store, of course I need the Red Bull, and I got a bunch of blades. We got Sean today, SR Garage.
Yep.
He got the YouTube channel also, so we're gonna be working together on this, and I guess we'll have fun together also.
See what we can do.
So, and Sawzall stopped working also. Yesterday it stopped working, today stopped working. So let's get the roof out. So guys, this is it for our adventure. We got the roof off. I wanted to go and get a gas and see people's reaction, but it's not raining, it's really cold. I don't have a permit, so I'm gonna park it, tarp it, and I will for next day when we don't have a rain. I will invite Sean again and we'll go for adventure. And that's gonna be it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed. The truck performs really good, everything works and looks really decent except the dashboard, but we'll take care of it. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed. Give me that thumbs up and leave your comments down below. If you want to see Inside Scoop before YouTube, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv. Thank you for stopping by. I'll see you next one.